Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would share something very exciting and very important and very functional with you. So we have recently moved houses and this new house is so much bigger. Our last place was just an apartment. It had 2 rooms and a kitchen, so all of this stuff that you will see in this video was crammed into our living room. I'm so glad that I have this room. So without further ado, here is my new doll room. Ta-da! So here is my side of the room. I do share it with my boyfriend. He has hobbies too. So this is his side. We're not going to show it too much because it's quite messy. And this is my new workspace. Yay! There's some pictures on the wall and all of my sort of storage containers. Here's the doll that I will be unboxing in this video a little later after the tour. Chair that I sit in, and also, ta-da! We have a tripod. I have not realized how much I need a tripod until I got one. Like, it's amazing. I love it, and it makes me feel like a real YouTuber for some reason. But now I have this new awesome tripod. Also, a thing that I don't have is a flip screen for my camera, so I have no idea how this clip is looking right now because I can't see the screen because I don't have a flip screen in my camera and I don't vlog all that often, so it's not something I desperately need. So back to the room. Here we have my lemon tree that has survived, I think, 2 years now. I had to put it here because this is the only room that gets like a nice amount of sunlight and where this isn't in the way. There's some couple of knickknacks and this light, and then we have this cute little chair. I haven't still organized this shelf. I think I'm gonna put all my finished projects on it. They're still in boxes and on the shelves just randomly, but I do have to figure out some sort of sun protection because, as I told you, this room gets a lot of sunlight, so I'm worried that it'll damage the dolls if I leave them like open like this. Then we have these closets. That's my boyfriend's closet. This is kind of shared and this is all mine. This is now sort of filled with doll supplies. There's my doll stock that is full of fabric, like factory clothes. This is for packaging if I want to send someone a doll. These are towels, a drill bit, miscellaneous papers, and this is all like camera gear. Then we have like random pieces of wood, some like wire, my Pearlex powders I put in this container. Then we have some liquid latex, like fabric dyes all the way at the back. Then we have my acetone, just random like liquid things. And then we have printing paper. These are like pictures that I haven't hung yet. I don't know where they are going. My like paper slicer thing. And then I have my computer sort of rest. I like to use it when I'm editing. Get one of those if you like to put your laptop on your lap so that you don't get burned. Yeah, that's about it. Here's an overview look. Oh, and that mask is a old project of mine, so I hung it there because I really like it. It's very pretty. Yeah, so let's get back to that doll. So So let's get to the unboxing part of this video. I have a LOL surprise OMG doll here. She is a Busy B.B and I got her just now because it takes a while to new doll lines to pop up in Finland. I'm not sure when they actually came because I wasn't like actively searching for them, and I picked her up because I really liked her clothing, I really liked her hair color. Out of all of the ones that were available, that I thought I would like the best. So I have not seen a LOL OMG doll real life, so here's the art. I really like her yellow shoes, I like her red bow and the denim look. Here's the actual doll. Yay! I'm really surprised that she comes with an undergarment piece, because it does say that it only contains one set or one ensemble. It could double as a swimsuit or something, but here she is. I love her little poof. I think it's really funny looking, and the OMG dolls do have really funky and different and strange hairstyles. The hands of the OMG dolls are really like super detailed. They are more detailed than Monster High hands because they do have like those lines around the knuckles and on the palm of the hand. And she does have very detailed feet as well. So then we have all these surprise bags, garment bags. So here is all the small items that I was able to free from the packaging. And I do have to say I love these garment bags. I think they are adorable. I think it's very innovative, and I wish we had something like this back when I was a child, but we didn't. So let's open this small one first. I don't want to destroy the bag completely. I really want to keep the bags because I like them. So here is the first item, and it is her denim jacket. This is adorable, and little faux buttons, and oh, this is really nice quality, a lot of details. And you get this sort of hanger also, which I would have liked to play as a child. Yeah, let's move on to the second garment bag so that we can pull the outfit out. And here's her little jumper. It's a darker wash of denim, and there's this little adorable key on it, and a chain. Oh, like the details are amazing. Like the front is really nicely sewn, but the back, like the pockets, like this pocket is just messed up. It velcros on the back, and you get a red hanger this time. Yeah, really adorable. I really like it. And then we have these little jars. Again, you can play with these later. I think it's great. And then you have a little bit of a tissue paper. Well, I really do love the packaging. Oh, here's her shoes. Oh, they're so cute. They're like these little booties. Boots. Yeah, cute. And then the red jar. Let's see what's in here. Oh, it's her accessories. Yeah, we have these adorable cat-shaped sunglasses. And then we got a golden necklace with a heart charm on it. And then we have these chunky golden earrings. I love earrings. I'm not wearing any earrings right now, but I do love earrings. I'm gonna untie the doll first and then show it to you guys. So I freed the doll from the packaging, and here she is. my god, she's adorable. I really do like the body shape. Some people say, oh, like, I love the body shape, it's so much more realistic than Monster High dolls. Like, regular people don't have a shape like this. This is the shape that Kim Kardashian has. So the argument saying that these are more realistic or more like real women, like, no. But I do like it, and I think dolls are meant to be exaggerated. Like, look at her face. There's nothing realistic about her face, so the body matches that. I didn't realize how short they were. These feel kind of like the proportions makes her feel a little shorter than what I'm used to. The hair is a little, you know, from being on the box, it's kind of crunchy. I have to give it some TLC, but I do love these two braids. I think it's adorable. Yeah, and I love her face. She has a little cutie mark. No, not cutie mark, beauty mark. Beauty mark on her cheek. And yeah, I bought this doll thinking that I would repaint her, and after seeing her face, I really do want to repaint her because it's quite simple. It's very like flat. She has big round eyes, so I have plenty of space to be creative on her eyes and figure out what I want to do. The only minus is that she doesn't have articulated knees. That is a bummer. She has a little bit of a defect on her paint, on her face. Hopefully when I give her a new one, I will be able to fix it. A doll stand, which is also nice. I don't know why we have two. Is like when you want it to be smaller or something? I have no idea. Then we have a hairbrush and a pole for the doll stand. This is quite thick. I don't like it. I don't like doll stands anyway. Like, you need them, but I don't like to photograph dolls on doll stands if I can help it. So this is quite robust for a doll stand. And then we have this final bag. I think here is her bag. This is plastic, so I'm not going to save this one probably. Here's her little bag. It's made out of plastic, which I don't like. But I do like the ribbon. There's a little lock on it, and you can put stuff in it because there's a little bit of a space. Yeah, I think you get a bunch of different items for a very reasonable price. But I will dress her up and show you guys the final close-ups. Yeah, I will be repainting her, so do hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notifications. Until next time, bye!